spot thing? I did. Okay, so I don't have to do that anymore, thank God. Wait. Oh, great copper deposit. I need to do it with that. Okay. Okay, so wait, these are actually pretty easy. Because you can respawn them. Oh, that's so nice. Wait a minute. I just need to get the ability to do the charge attack. But I'm not strong enough to do it. Okay. So, hold on. Because these, mushrooms I'm picking up. Just an ingredient. Does that always go back to it? Yeah, it does. Okay. Yeah, these boxes always drop an item. I wonder if they're valuable. I don't think they are. At least they're low rank, so couldn't be. Special skill charge rate when crafting. Ooh. Okay. So how am I gonna do this? I mean, I have infinite amount of just potential. I mean, I guess if I